I just closed on a $3.4 million house. I made $85,000 in commission, and I'm gonna take you through a tour of the entire house. So come on in and let's meet the owner. Horacio, what's going on?
How's it going?
Congratulations, man. This house is officially yours now. How does it feel to close on a $3.4 million home? First home ever.
Feels good. I'm still getting used to it, so that's it.
We just closed about an hour ago, so now we're at the house and we're gonna do a little bit of a tour. Okay, so Horacio, do you have anything to say for the camera right now? How did you get in this kind of position where you can afford a $3.4 million home?
Oh, it's been a long process. This is actually one of my dream homes. Not yet, not the biggest one that I want, but pretty much everything that I need right now. I don't know what to say. Like, if you ever want something in life, you just have to work for it, and whatever it is, just go for it.
You just said something 5 minutes ago. How much money did you make today?
Today we made over 70K.
70K?
73K.
73K. You got it on your phone to pop up real quick?
Yeah, this is for today. This morning we got 20K. It's one of the payments, 20,000. Now let's see the second one. We just got this too. That's 30,000. And we received another 23,000 in crypto. So
that's crazy. That's crazy, guys. You saw it here live. $50,000 collected and another $20,000 in crypto. Absolutely incredible. Okay, guys, let's go through a house tour. So what I'm gonna do is show you the front foyer first. As you can see over here, it's got a dual staircase and it's got a nice little chandelier over there. So we're gonna go up to the stairs a little bit later. Immediately to your right, we have the dining room, which is really pretty and nice. As you can see over here, you can fit a massive table over here. It's got the 24-inch tiles, fully upgraded. It's got the tall vaulted ceilings. These are about 12 feet ceilings with crown molding throughout the entire house. All right, guys, let's go and see the rest of the house. Come on with me. Right over here, you have a little Butler's pantry. So you can see the massive quartz countertops over here, absolutely huge. You got a little Butler's pantry right over here, which is pretty awesome. And then right over here, we have one of the 2-car garages right over here. So this is a 2-car garage over here, one of two 2-car garages. So it fits 4 cars in the house right now. Okay, and then I'll take you guys over to the kitchen over here. Look at this beautiful kitchen over here. So it's got quartz countertops, it's got sub-zero stainless steel refrigerator, it's got the dual ovens over here, built-in microwave, tons of cabinet space throughout the entire house. Look at these quartz countertops right here. These are some of the thickest, biggest quartz countertops I've ever seen, probably 3 inches. All right, guys, yeah, look at this over here. We got a built-in pantry right over here, which is super nice. So come on over here. So we got a little pantry over here, so second pantry. You can store all your snacks and then your knickknacks over here. Okay, very cool. So we can check out the refrigerator if you want. So we got a chef stove over here as well, actually. So yeah, we have a chef stove right over here. Great for cooking whatever kind of food you want. If you want to cook your chicken marsalas, chicken parms, whatever you want to cook. We have a sub-zero refrigerator right here, which is fantastic. Obviously, it's a brand new house, so nothing in it just yet. All right, guys, come on over to the living room right here. So we have one of 3 living rooms in the house right now. So they built out a whole little entertainment unit right over here so you can plug your TV in right into the wall right here. Plenty of space, again, tall ceilings, nice ceiling fan over here, and it has easy access to the pool area right over there to the right. And then let's go and check out the rest of the house. This house has 8 bedrooms and 9.5 bathrooms. As we wrap back around, here's the front foyer area again, where we were in the very beginning. If you guys want to come over here, another full bathroom right over here. Second kitchen over here. So again, this is like a Butler's kitchen over here. It's got the sink, it's got the mini fridge, it's got the dishwasher over here, and the best part of the house, it's got a humidor, full wine cellar right over here, which is absolutely awesome. It's temperature controlled. You can see it's got the LED lights over here. Very cool to look at, one of my favorite features of the house. And then over here is the second living room right over here. So let me show you guys a second living room right over here. It's a little bit smaller than the main living room, but still you can see a place to put the TV right in the wall right over here. It still has all recessed lightings and built-in speakers throughout the entire house. I don't know if you can see that on the camera right now, but if he pans up, you can see there's built-in speakers all over the entire house. Really showcased here in the second living room though. And again, it has easy access to the outside pool. So let's do this. I'm gonna show you one of the guest bedrooms out here, then we'll go out and check the pool out. So really quickly, I want to show you guys, there's a built-in elevator in this house right here, right over here. So it's not working right now. We got to go and connect it again, but rest assured there is an elevator in this home. Right over here is one of the guest bedrooms, decent size, probably about a 12 by 12. And it's got in-suite bathrooms on every single bedroom in the whole entire house, in-suite bathrooms throughout the whole house over here. I'm gonna take you quickly into one of the bathrooms. Standard bathroom over here, I don't know if you can tell. All right, and then we got a closet over here. I'm sure you guys don't really care about the closets, but just to show you, standard closet right over here. And then as we come over here, this is gonna be the second garage, which will hold another 2 cars. So if you guys can see over here, another 2-car garage. This one's even bigger than the last one. I wanna take you and show you guys the horseshoe driveway right over here. So this driveway right here fits about 10 cars total, okay? Tons of room for as much parking as you want. You can see right now we have about 5 or 6 cars out here, plus 4 in the garages. That makes 10 cars. And you can even park on the street if you really want, okay? Let me take you back in. All right, so now we're back in the house over here. We're coming back to the front foyer area, and then we'll go check up the upstairs of the house. And then really quickly, I want to show you guys, there's an office, built-in office right over here. So actually, Horacio is hanging out right now in the office right now. They're just figuring out what they're gonna do and what they're gonna put over there. All right, so let me take you up the stairs right now. We'll check out the entire upper portion of the home. Really cool staircase over here, solid wood with a nice little glass accent. So guys, I'm gonna show you the master bedroom first. Come with me this way. All right guys, so this is the master bedroom right over here. Nothing crazy, pretty big, about 24 by 20 or so in length and width. And you can see over here the beautiful view. Look at this view over here. You can see the entire lake. We're actually directly centered right on the lake area. You can see the other 3, 4, 5, $6 million homes scattered throughout. Absolutely beautiful. And you can even see the pool too. From this area right here, you can actually see the pool, which is awesome. Imagine waking up to this every single day. It's beautiful and pretty right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the master bathroom over here. Come on down. Look at this shower. It's got a waterfall head over here, plus a normal shower head over there. Plus it's got the handheld shower over here. You can see it has 3 handheld knobs right there, which is awesome. This shower is huge. You could literally fit 10 people in this shower. And then as you come on in, it's got a sitting tub right over here, which is really nice. And then it keeps the same theme throughout the entire house. These 3-inch quartz countertops right here. We have another closet over here. So it's a decent sized closet. Now listen, the new buyer is gonna redo these entire closets. So nothing special to look at right now, but after he's done, they're gonna look spectacular. Okay, let me show you the next closet over here. So this closet over here is a little bit bigger, and just imagine this fully built out, you know, with all built out shelving and built out watch boxes and hangers for all of his clothes. It's gonna look absolutely gorgeous because it's a good amount of room in here. Okay, let me show you the rest of the house. All right, so now we're back in the master bedroom over here, and then we're gonna go and check out the right side of the house over here. So this is, again, another elevator area right over here. You can see, so again, the elevator is not working, but I do promise it does work. Okay, so here's one of the other bedrooms over here. Average size bedroom, about 15 by 12 or so. And again, in-suite bathrooms in every single room. So let me show you this bathroom over here. It's pretty cool. It's got a standing sink over here, shower to the right, and walk-in closet to the left. Really nice, really cool. Look at this. Nice little features over here. I like it. Let's go on to another room. All right, so now we're gonna head out to some of the other bedrooms, and then I'm gonna show you guys the outside balcony very last. Come with me to this massive bedroom over here. So this room can be whatever you want it to be. This room is probably the biggest in the house, even bigger than the master bedroom. I know the previous owner didn't really have this as a media room or a theater at all, but the new buyer, they're gonna turn this into a theater room. It's gonna be awesome when it's finally completed. You can envision couches over here and then massive projector screen over here. It's gonna be soundproof. They're gonna block out the whole entire room, so it's gonna be an awesome movie theater room. What I'll do is I'll come back and take another video once the house is fully done out. Give me about a month or two and I'll come back and I bet you the house will look completely different. All right guys, so this is the Jack and Jill bathroom. It wraps around from that side of the house to the other bedroom over here. So this is by far the smallest bedroom in the house. He's probably gonna use this as a computer server room or something like that for one of his multiple businesses that he runs. And then, okay, we're gonna check out the next room over here, which is gonna be the washer and dryer room. All right, so the washer and dryer room looks like it's in a haunted house. You can see over here the flickering lights. I feel like I'm in a horror movie right now. So let's get those turned off. But you can imagine that's the washer and dryer room right there. There's another guest bedroom over here. It's a decent sized room, probably about a 10 by 12. Again, one of the smaller rooms in the house. And again, it has an in-suite bathroom. Every single room has one. So very, very nice standing countertops over there. And then it has a soaking tub right over there to the right, which is super cool. Okay guys, that's about it for the upstairs of the home. Just a linen closet over here. I wanna show you guys one of my favorite features of the house. This is gonna be the outside balcony. If I can get that door open, I could. Okay, so right out here, this is the outside balcony. Look how gorgeous this is. I would be out here every single night smoking my cigars, drinking my wine. Look at this view. You cannot beat this view. This is a $3.4 million view right here. Absolutely incredible. You can see the pool, you can see the lake, you can see the 3.4, 3.6, $5 million homes out there. Okay, now I'm gonna take you guys to the downstairs pool area and the backyard. All right, so come with me. Let's pick a staircase to go down. I'm gonna choose this one. All right, guys, come on. Yeah, let's go check out the backyard. Go check out the pool area over here. Wow, look at this pool back here. Could you imagine coming out every single day at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday or Sunday and going and sunbathing and jumping in that pool? Come with me and check this pool out. Look at this. This is a saltwater pool. You can tell all the water fountains right here. So at night, these glow and these actually shoot water. And this right here is a full water fountain. Now, I don't remember how to actually activate these right now. I'm gonna go check with the buyers and see if I can turn these on for you or not, but that's a massive waterfall right over here with a jacuzzi hot tub right over here. And you could see the entire lake view all out here with all the multi-million-dollar homes. It is stunning. This is one of the best views in Boca Raton, Florida right now. And then let me show you the side yards over here. So this is absolutely crazy. You cannot get space and land like this in Boca. It is almost impossible to find. All the houses are on top of each other except for this one. There's 24,000 square feet of land. Half of it's over here, half it's on the other side, which I'm gonna show you in a second. Look at all this space. You can do whatever you want. You could have trampolines, bouncy houses. You could build another pool. You could probably put another house here if you want. You cannot find this much land in Boca Raton. This is such a find. What a gem. Okay, come on over. I'm gonna show you the other side over here. Obviously, the house is CBS construction, as you can see. We're in Florida, we have hurricanes, so we gotta be really careful. None of these houses are built with wood, and if they are, you got a big problem on your hand because they can get blown away very easily. So yeah, if you're in Florida, you want CBS construction just like this. Look at this side yard over here, another massive side yard. Again, 24,000 square feet of land. This is crazy. Absolutely massive amount of space right here. Look at that land. You can put anything you want over here. This house was built in 2014, so the house is only 9 years old. This is one of the bigger units on the block right now. It has the most land. You can see if you zoom in across the street over there, look at that. There's barely any space on that house. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera right now, but those side yards are very, very small compared to this house over here. Okay guys, that was the entire house tour. I hope you really liked this video. This is a $3.4 million house in Boca Raton, Florida. I'm here with the buyer right now. He just purchased his house and he told me originally he was looking at $2 million homes, but what made you want to go with a $3.4 million home?
Well, I was looking for something like this. And as I started working with you, you gave me options and I went through a lot of those options. And I went from 2 million first to 2.5, then 3 million, then from 3 million to 4 million. And once we saw this one, I knew this was the one. I just got it.
All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right now. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a like button, drop a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and that's it. I'll catch everybody in the next one. All right, that was pretty damn good. Okay guys, I'm back in the wine cellar area right now, and I just wanted to let you know I'm in Boca Raton, Florida. I've been doing real estate for 3.5 years right now. I'm the #2 ranked agent in eXp Realty. I do about 250 plus deals every single year. If you guys want to buy, sell, or rent a house, please reach out to me. I'm gonna drop my email in the description. So yeah, if you guys are around the Miami area, Broward area, Palm Beach County, St. Lucie area, any of those counties whatsoever, reach out to me and my team and we'll help you buy, sell, or rent.